apron, apron. Chopping board, chopping board. Knife, knife. Knife set, knife set. Cleaver, cleaver. Peeler, peeler. Kitchen scissors, kitchen scissors. Grater, grater. Rolling pin, rolling pin. Rolling board, rolling board. Mortar and pestle, mortar and pestle. Lemon squeezer, lemon squeezer. Potato masher, potato masher. Pizza cutter, pizza cutter. Egg slicer, egg slicer. Bottle opener, bottle opener. Pepper mill, pepper mill. Gas stove, gas stove. Pressure cooker, pressure cooker. Frying pan, frying pan. Wok, wok. Saucepan, saucepan. Griddle, griddle. Stock pot, stock pot. Steamer, steamer. Deep fryer, deep fryer. Dutch oven, Dutch oven. Casserole dish, casserole dish. Ladle, ladle. Spatula, spatula. Wooden spatula, wooden spatula. Skimmer, skimmer. Perforated spoon, perforated spoon. Whisk, whisk. Colander, colander. Sieve, sieve. Pastry brush, pastry brush. Steel plate, steel plate. Ball, ball. Fork, fork. Tablespoon, tablespoon. Teaspoon, teaspoon. Butter knife, butter knife. Chopsticks, chopsticks. Serving ball, serving ball. Jug, jug. Serving tray, serving tray. Napkin, napkin. Teacup, teacup. Saucer, saucer. Salt and pepper shaker, salt and pepper shaker. Microwave, microwave. Blender, blender. Juicer, juicer. Mixer grinder, mixer grinder. Electric kettle, electric kettle. Toaster, toaster. Hand blender, hand blender. Sandwich maker, sandwich maker. Rice cooker, rice cooker. Coffee maker, coffee maker. Induction cooktop, induction cooktop. Air fryer, air fryer. Spice box, spice box. Jar, jar. Bottle, bottle. Hot pot, hot pot. Thermos, thermos. Lunch box, lunch box. Dish rack, dish rack. Aluminium foil, aluminium foil. Food container, food container. Dish sponge, dish sponge. Dishwashing liquid, dishwashing liquid. Steel scrubber, steel scrubber. Oven gloves, oven gloves. Dustbin, dustbin. Matchbox, matchbox. soap dispenser, soap dispenser. Soup spoon, soup spoon. Mixing bowl, mixing bowl. Tiffin, tiffin. Muffin tray, muffin tray. Kettle, kettle. Cutlery, cutlery. Cake tin, cake tin. Baking tray, baking tray.